Chapter 11. Sources of Water. Water is the precious gift of nature to us. All life forms need water to live. Water is the basis of life on earth. It is available to us in a variety of ways. Some areas have abundant water, like coastal areas or islands, and some have limited water, like deserts. Need of water. Water is the basic need of every living being. All plants and animals also need them. In fact, water is the largest constituent of our body. The share of water in our body is more than 70%. Water kills our thirst. It is not possible to live without water even for a day. All vegetation on earth is supported by water. We make use of water in a number of ways like drinking, cooking, washing clothes, bathing, etc. Farmers need a lot of water for irrigation. Industries also need water in large quantity. Life without water is therefore not possible. Sources of water. A number of sources are available to us for water. 1. Rain. Rain is the most common and major source of water. It also feeds the other sources of water. It is available in the form of drops that fall from the sky. It is a pure form of water. Initial drops of water contain some dust. The rainwater is difficult to collect in containers. Rainwater naturally gets stored in lakes or ponds. These sources of water cannot be used for drinking purpose. Most of rainwater flows down to meet rivers. Some rainwater is soaked by soil and it joins the underground water. Activity. Frozen drops of rain are called hailstones. Have you ever seen hailstones? Yes or no? 2. Lakes and ponds. Lakes and ponds are formed when depressions of land get filled with water. Lakes are bigger depressions and ponds are small depressions. Water that falls down in the form of rain fills the depressions. It remains collected there for a long time. These sources of water cannot be used for domestic purposes. 3. River. River is a channel of flowing water. It originates from the mountains and joins the sea or ocean. Place where river originates is called mouth of river. Here, the water is clean. As the river enters the plains, it gets polluted, therefore is not usable for domestic use. Place where river joins the sea or ocean is called the mouth of river. Here, the river water is maximum polluted. Activity. Name the sacred river of India. 4. Sea or ocean. Sea or ocean is a large body of water. More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered with sea or ocean. Oceans are big water bodies and seas are the parts of oceans. Although ocean or sea contain large amount of water, yet its water is not usable. The water of sea contains a lot of salts. 5. Underground water. Water that is available below the surface of earth is called underground or groundwater. Of all the sources of water, it is the most clean source of water. The rainwater seeps down and gets filtered down to meet the groundwater. Therefore, it gets clean because of filtration. A number of techniques are applied to bring out this water. Important techniques are A. Wells. Wells are a traditional way of bringing out water from the surface of earth. These are mainly found in the villages. They are considered as the oldest technique of fetching water. A bucket is used to pull out the water from depth. It is tied with a rope. B. Tube well. It is a modern technique of pulling out water. A pipe is bored in the ground which is fitted with a motor. This motor works with power like electricity or diesel. The water thus comes out automatically. It is used to fetch large amount of water. In villages, it is used to irrigate the fields. In cities, it is used to supply clean water to the houses. C. Hand pump. It is another traditional way of pulling out groundwater from the surface of earth. It is like a pipe that is bored in the surface. A handle is attached with it. This handle is pumped manually that pulls out water slowly. It cannot bring out large amount of water and it can feed only one house. Things to remember. 1. All life forms need water to live. 2. Rain is the major source of water. 3. Lakes are bigger depressions and ponds are smaller depressions. 4. River originates from the mountains and joins the sea or ocean. 5. More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered with sea or ocean. 6. Wells are a traditional way of bringing out water from the earth. 7. Tube well is a modern technique of pulling out water. 8. The handle of hand pump is pumped manually to bring out water.